Good morning, students. In my earlier video I have shared about tenses, that we are having three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Now let's study the all three tenses in detail now. Present tense is classified into four parts: simple present, we can call it present indefinite tense also, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Now, formula of simple present tense: how to write a sentence in present form. Subject with first form of verb with object. Now if you are having singular subject, so what is singular subject? He, she, it is a singular subject, and plural subjects are we, they and are. So if you are having these plural subject and singular subject, how we will use verb in present form? So he writes a letter, they write a letter. Now students, can you see the difference between these two sentences? He writes. Now he is a singular subject and write is a verb, and we have added s to it because we are having singular subject. So he writes a letter. Now they is a plural subject, so we will not add s to the verb. And what is the verb over here? Write. So they write a letter. Now this is simple present form. This is one more formula for you. Some subject he, verb, first form of verb, plays, and object is cricket. So again you can see that we are having singular subject, so we have added s to the verb and then we are having object to it. Some more examples to clarify your doubts. She decides to be a pilot. The doctors work hard day and night to save their patient. They fly kites in the sky. The teacher teaches politely. Now she decides. She is a singular subject. That's why we have added s to the verb, and your verb is decide. The doctors work hard day and night. The doctors is also a plural subject. That's why we have not added s to the verb. So your verb is work over there. Now they fly kites. They is a plural subject, so we will not add s to the verb, and your verb is fly. The teacher teaches politely. Now again your teacher is a singular subject, and that's why we have added s to the verb, and your verb is teach. Teach plus es. That's become teaches. The teacher teaches politely. This is a verb table, and the root verb is over here, speak. How we will use speak in with all three persons: first person, second person and third person. Student, this table is to clarify your doubts. Now let me start with the first person. First person is I, and the plural form is I is we. Second person is you, and the plural form is you is same, you. And third person is he, she and it, and the plural of he, she and it is they. Now first person is I. It is a singular, but we always consider it as a plural, so we will not add s to the verb. So that's why we have written over there I speak, we speak. In second person, you is also a singular, but we will not add s to the verb when we are using you as a subject. You speak, you speak. Third person, he is a singular subject, so we have added s to the verb. Speaks, she speaks and it speaks. And he, if you are having one boy, then it is he, and if you are having more than one boy, it becomes they. She is used for girls, but we are having more than one girl, we use they over there. It is used for an object or an animal. If you are having more than one animal and more than one object, so we use they for it in a plural form. That's why when we are talking about plural form, it becomes they speak. So we will not add s to the verb over there. Now complete the following sentences using an appropriate simple present tense form. Now these 10 sentences and the verb is given in the bracket. For filling those verbs in the bracket, you have to make very sure that whatever the subject you are having and which kind, how you will fill verb over there, you have to be very particular about it, whether the subject is singular or plural. So go through these 10 sentences, students, and do it in your notebook. Thank you, students, and for any query you can drop me a message on my WhatsApp group. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.